All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Omar Percio, case number 2, SP 116957551. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning once again. Tom Piotrowski, P40021, on behalf of Mr. Lupercio, who has joined us here in the Zoom conference. Omar, would you identify yourself, please, by stating your name?
Omar Lupercio.
Thank you.
All right. I'm off the record. The offer was non-offer, pleading as charged. Indicated to the court that you would talk to Ms. Walker, and that the client was you negotiated a resolution that he plead guilty, and you get a 3-month, you secured a 3-month delayed sentence for him. I have not had that in the file, but as I said, as an officer of the court, I will accept your representation if that is the case. So, Mr. Lupercio, you've heard the offer. I'll fine you $240 for that. I'll put that under a delayed sentence, dismiss that. I'm going to dismiss it upon payment of $240. So
Yeah, well, thank you.
that's a very good deal, sir, where that doesn't typically happen. So you need to thank your lawyer, or pay your lawyer, I guess. Oh,
Yeah.
That's thank him enough, because he's worked out something that is not normally offered. All right. So you want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Morning, Ms. Cox.
Morning, Judge. How are you today?
Very well. All right, sir, I'm gonna draw your attention back to March 13, 2021 at around 12:19 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Burn and Norman Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Omar, that question's for you.
Oh, yes.
And sir, were you a passenger in a vehicle on that day?
Yes, Your Honor, I was.
And did you have some alcohol in that vehicle?
I did.
And was that alcohol open?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what alcohol, what was that? What type of beverage was that?
It was a beer.
Very well. And it was actually something in that can, still in that can, is that correct?
Yes.
Bottle. All right, I'm gonna accept your plea. Are you satisfied, counselor?
I am satisfied. Thank you, sir.
All right, I'm gonna accept your plea to the open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. That is a 2-point offense. Unfortunately, with that delay, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, counselor, it's still not gonna subvert the 2 points that he's gonna get on his license, even though it's a delayed sentence.
That's my understanding as well, sir.
Yeah, so what you have saved yourself, though, is you have saved yourself an alcohol-related offense on your driving record. So, we'll have to see about that as well, I guess, you check your driving record, but it won't be listed, it'll be dismissed in the computer upon payment. When can you pay, sir?
I could pay today.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a review. I'm gonna set for a review January 28th. And the purpose of that is to allow you the time to pay it, and also to make sure that it's closed out on our end properly. If you haven't paid it, I need to see you back at January 28, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. If you paid it, however, then I don't need to see it. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you, counselor. You have a good day.
Your Honor, you two have a good weekend, and once again, thank you. I know other attorneys appreciate your hitting the bench at 8:30. We get a lot of conflict scheduled during Zoom, and we appreciate your being available at this time of the morning, so thank you again.
Very much, very well, sir. That's what they pay me for.
Oh, well, thank you nevertheless.
All right, thank you.
Have a good weekend. All right.
You're welcome. All right, I have, let's check. Good morning, Mrs. Perkins Moore. Great to see you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I just downloaded the docket. I'm all set.
I have a Fatima Yasmin Garcia.
May I just,
Go ahead.
am I in the right room this time?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Okay, thank you.
Is that your full name? Is with your last name is Ramisa?
Camarena. Yes.
Camarena. All right, let's see. I don't think you're in the right place. Now, is that Camarena / Garcia?
Yes.
Is that hyphen Garcia or?
No, it's just like Camarena and then Garcia. I don't think dash or. This is how they sent. Well, they sent it to me, Fatima, and then a dash, Yasmin dash Camarena, and then the little thing, and then the line, and
Yeah,
then
the
Garcia.
hyphen.
I'm sorry.
It's a hyphen. Call it a hyphen.
Yes.
And the first name is Fatima, right?
Yes.
All right, so you're gonna go, you are here.
Oh, okay.
January 31st. No, Kevin Robbins. This is crazy. Okay, then scheduled for hearing. Pre-trial. No, you're not. Look at it. If you want to go to the community service that was offered to you, so dial in at 434.
I'm sorry.
Dial in at 434.
This is 434. Oh,
Oh, I'm sorry, 435. I'm sorry. It is 434.
I believe I just got out of 435 and the lady there told me that I was supposed to be on 434.
Yeah, well, see, the thing is, you were here before and you
Yes.
elected not to do the community service.
what kind of case?
Yes.
So with that, you're gonna go back to them and they need to, we need to call over there and make sure they let you know that that's your case. That's their case now.
Okay.
Unless you change your heart, you wanna do the community service, then we can accommodate you.
You said 434, 435?
435, yeah, we'll call over there.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You as
All
well.
right. Okay, we have Police Officer Johnson. Good morning to you. Guma is here. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with city attorney when he shows back in. I'll set that breakout room up now.
Good morning, sir. Okay, thank you.
Hello,
And
good morning.
Good morning. The iPhone, what's your name, sir?
Last name is Guma, Gumma. First name Sahar, Sahha.
Not you, sir. I already have you checked in. Gentleman at the
Okay.
iPhone, pen in his mouth, or just took it out. What's your name, sir? He's not answering.
Who, with me?
What's your name? What's your name?
Christopher LaFrey?
Christopher LaFrey. Okay. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
For Timothy Giles,
Yes, sir.
that he would like to know if he can get some relief because he did, because of the pandemic, he couldn't get his place, but soon after, right after he got the ticket. He got his information and he has it ready for, you have it ready for you to show the prosecutor, sir?
Yes, sir.
You can't. It doesn't matter. We already talked about it. So, Mr. Giles.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he said he's got it. We'll see. What do you have, sir?
I have my insurance and my tags and everything. I went like it was. I got the ticket on 4/1.
All right, hold it up.
I got the ticket on 4/1, and then I got my
license.
insurance. And then I got my insurance on 4/10. My insurance and my tags on 4/10. I got the.
Okay, all right. This is the city of Detroit versus Timothy Giles, case number SP 11834461 and SP 11834471, SP 1235367. Appearance for the record, please.
I can't hear you.
Put your appearance on the record, Mrs. Perkins.
What you want, JD?
There's a lot of static. Linda Perkins Moore, P36136.
Okay, Mr. Giles, I'm
Yeah.
gonna dismiss the matter. You provided valid documentation.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a great day.
I'm all set.
Yes.
Okay, thanks, Your Honor. You have a good day. Thank you.
Usual.
All right.
So I'll open up today. It's already done. You're already there. Okay. Sorry, yeah, like, we can't go in a week today. All right, Guma is here. Officer Johnson, I put in a breakout, that opened up a breakout room for you to speak with him. It's on a formal hearing on a prohibited left turn. Let's see who we have. Let's do Mr. Gilbert.
Good morning.
Good morning. This is City of Detroit versus Mackay Gilbert, case number SP 1192825 and 211. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore, excuse me, appearing on behalf of Mr. Gilbert, Your Honor, he's scheduled for a pretrial today.
Your Honor, can I get you to repeat that 2-1 case?
Yeah, 2144744431.
Thank you.
I don't know what he's got going on here.
I was driving without a license. I have it now, though.
No, I'm not talking to you, sir. I'm talking about what the offer is.
You just have an offer showing responsible to one and dismissing the other ones?
So here's the deal.
Okay.
He's got two, one of the driving while license never acquired. It appears that he had a failure to stop ticket that rode along with that. And for
Okay.
some apparent reason, that ticket never came through.
Okay.
The other thing I see is that he has another driving while license never acquired. So today, he lives on the north end. Today, he has two licenses never acquired. Sir, well, why don't you get a license?
I have my
Or do you
license
have
now.
a license now?
Yes, sir.
You have a license?
Full license. I'm waiting for the card to come in, but I have my temporary in my wallet right now.
Let's pull his driver's license, please. He paid a related civil infraction with the one case as a effective equipment ticket. He paid that last month. That's
Oh, I have it. Yeah, I'm just trying to read this case number.
Hello?
All right, he's valid, Mr. Goss. He's got a valid driver's license and he paid a related civil infraction.
How many violations are left?
It's just two driver's license never acquired.
We can dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, based on your payment of the civil infraction, sir, and the fact that you have a driver's license, the court is gonna dismiss. Court is going to dismiss, but sir, you got to watch your driving. You hear me? You got a very good driving record. You got a very good driving record right now. Keep it that way, all right?
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
20 today.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you.
That's a birthday present too, right there, all right?
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, and Christmas and all that other stuff too. So do it that way because you won't get this deal again.
Yes, Your Honor.
Have a good day, sir. Enjoy your day.
You too. Thank you.
Officer Johnson, can you meet me in the breakout room?
It's already assigned. I'm gonna put corporate, you in corporate.
Okay.
Put you in the breakout room as well.
All right, thank you.
Anything else, Judge?
It seems like it puts the B in there. No.
He said this is defaulted, but it's gonna be spelled out when they.
All right, just pick my middle initial.
Huh? Oh. They're gonna have to cut the card and gonna be included on the,
All right, who do we have next? The gentleman on the iPhone is, there he is, he doesn't speak, Ms. Cox, can you, maybe he doesn't speak English.
it's gonna go.
Who are you here, Ms. Cox?
There's Joe Gallegos.
Oh, yes, that's who the case is that I'm interpreting for, is Joel Gallegos. Señor Gallegos, yo soy intérprete de aquí de la corte. ¿Me oye?
Ok. Sí, le escucho.
He says yes, that he can hear me.
All right, what's his name?
Joel Gallegos, Gallegos.
Gallegos.
Oh, somebody else is showing.
Yeah, well, he's been here just. didn't have his name. Gallegos, he's the top of P35. All right, this should be on my, this should be on my community court docket.
Señor Gallegos, el juez dice que su caso debe estar en la corte de la comunidad.
Ask him, does he want to do some community service to clear this matter up?
El juez quiere saber si usted estaría dispuesto a hacer algún trabajo gratis para la comunidad para que esto se resuelva.
No sé, a mí se me haría más fácil pagar.
He says it would be easier for me to just pay.
All right, ask him, is he a United States citizen?
¿Usted es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos?
No.
All right, so Mr. Goss,
Your Honor, can we just put him, adjourn him to the community court docket to make a cleaner record of this?
all right.
Están pidiendo que mande su caso, señor Gallego, están pidiendo que mande su caso a la corte de la comunidad para que pues sea más claro, más conciso su caso.
Es que esta es la segunda corte.
Está distorsionado, no se oye. Your Honor, he became distorted, but I did get the portion at the beginning where he said that this is the second time that he's been to court. Señor Gallegos, ¿tiene algo más que decir?
No, que nomás que, entonces, ¿qué tengo que hacer con mi caso? ¿Tengo que pagar? ¿Tengo que hacer otra corte? ¿O tengo que hablar?
Señor Gallego, usted se está distorsionando el sonido. It became distorted again, Your Honor, but I did catch the beginning part of it where he asked what else would he have to do then instead? Go to community court, pay the fine, what does he need to do?
If, you know, I don't want to keep him having coming back, but we do the community court on Wednesday on the 19th.
Dice que no quiere.
Ask him, can he come back Wednesday on the 19th?
El juez dice que él no quiere que usted tenga que seguir viniendo tantas veces, pero que le pregunta si usted pudiera regresar de la misma manera el 19 de este mes, el miércoles.
¿Qué hora sería?
What time, Your Honor?
Okay, let's go ahead and service him. So, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Joe Gallegos.
Okay,
7530.
Don't man do the same damn thing.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Joe Gallegos. Case number SP 1175330, counts 1 and counts 2.
Esta es la ciudad de Detroit. Van a llamar a su caso, lo van a resolver ahora, señor Gallegos. La ciudad de Detroit contra Joel Gallegos, el caso SP 11753301 y 2.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
La señora Linda Perkins representando al acusado.
All right. Ms. Gallegos, the offer today for you is going to be to plead to an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. With that plea, I'll dismiss. Hold on a second, ma'am. I keep muting you for a reason. Is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'll dismiss count 2, and I'll dismiss the allowing upon payment of $240.
Ok, señor Gallegos, la oferta que le están haciendo hoy es que le van a reducir los cargos si usted se declara culpable a que permitió a una persona sin licencia conducir. Él quitaría el cargo número 2, lo anula ese cargo cuando usted pague una multa de $240. ¿Entiende?
Sí, correcto.
He understood, Your Honor. He says, yes, correct.
He has an absolute right to a trial, and he can speak with the lawyer in a breakout room if he needs to understand something.
Usted tiene el derecho de pedir si quiere un juicio con jurado y si quiere, ahora lo ponen en un cuarto privado con la defensora pública para que usted hable con ella en privado. ¿Entiende?
No, si yo puedo pagar, yo sé que yo soy culpable de lo que hice. Lo único que quiero es ya salir, pagar y ya listo.
Yes, Your Honor, I do understand that I am guilty of what the fine, the ticket is for. So I'm just interested in paying and getting it resolved.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? I need to see you in the screen.
Señor, por favor, póngase que se le vea su cara en la pantalla, no se le ve, ¿ok? Levante su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura y afirma que va a decir la verdad y nada más la verdad?
Lo juro.
Yes, I swear.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir.
Ok, puede bajar la
Sir,
mano.
You understand that a conviction for a misdemeanor offense, if you're not a United States citizen, can potentially implicate immigration issues?
¿Usted entiende, señor, que como usted no es ciudadano, al declararse culpable, esto podría tener consecuencias de inmigración en el futuro?
Sí.
Yes.
Sir, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende, señor, que lo máximo que le podrían dar de condena sería 93 días en cárcel y hasta $500 de multa?
Sí.
¿Entiende? Yes.
And do you understand, do you have a right to a trial?
Y usted también entiende que tiene el derecho de pedir un juicio, ¿entiende?
Entiendo.
I understand.
And you understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y usted entiende que si acepta esta oferta, usted está renunciando a ese derecho de tener un juicio, ¿entiende? Señor Gallegos, ¿entiende? ¿Me oye, señor Gallegos? He's frozen, Your Honor. I don't think. Oh, I heard him now. Yes, I do understand.
Sí, entiendo.
Yes, I do understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Usted le han prometido algo fuera de lo que hemos dicho aquí? Señor Gallego, ¿entiende?
No.
He said he did not
Sí,
understand.
entiendo.
Oh, yes, he
Sí.
answered
No,
yes,
sí,
he
no,
understood.
No.
¿Entiende?
Ya. Sí, sí, sí entiendo. Perdón, es que mi señal está muy bajo aquí enviando ahorita.
Yes, he says that he understands and he apologizes. His signal is slow, so that's why he was having a little bit of problem
So
communicating.
that, yeah, nobody's offered him anything other than what I offered him, have they?
Entonces, el juez quiere saber que estar seguro que nadie le ha hecho una oferta afuera de lo que le ha dicho el juez hoy.
No, nadie.
No, no one.
All right, let me draw his attention back to March 27th, 2021 at around 5:21 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Central Avenue and John Clark. Did he have, on that day, did he have an occasion to get pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Entonces yo quiero que usted se acuerde del día 27 de marzo, alrededor de las 5:21 de la mañana, en la ciudad de Detroit, alrededor de la calle Central. En ese día y a esa hora lo paró un policía.
Correcto.
Yes, correct.
Okay, and on that date, did that officer ask him to produce a valid driver's license?
Y en ese día el policía le pidió que le mostrara una licencia válida.
Sí, pero
Yes.
no traía.
Yes, but I did not have it.
And why is that?
¿Y por qué no la tenía?
No podemos sacar una licencia nosotros.
Because we're not allowed to get a license.
All right, I'm gonna accept this plea to the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with stipulation of probable cause. I'm gonna dismiss the other account.
Entonces yo voy a aceptar su declaración de culpable de permitir a una persona sin licencia de manejar, y eso lo acepto como la causa probable, y voy a anular los otros cargos.
Can I get that stipulation, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, stipulate, Your Honor.
Eso lo van a estipular y su abogado dijo que sí, que lo pueden estipular.
All right, when can we pay? When can you pay, sir?
Señor Gallego, ¿cuándo lo puede pagar?
$240.
$240, señor Gallego. ¿Cuándo lo puede pagar?
Yo lo podía pagar por semana.
I could pay it this week.
Ahorita, pues, si se puede ahorita.
Señor Gallego, no se le oye bien, perdón. He said something else, Your Honor, but it was too distorted to understand. Ahora sí, diga. ¿Cuándo lo puede pagar?
Lo puedo pagar la semana que viene. La semana que viene. Entre lunes, martes o el día que sea. Es que yo ando en la ciudad ahorita, necesito regresar. Si mi esposa puede pagar ahorita, yo le digo que lo.
Your Honor, I can pay either next week. I can pay next week, either Monday or Tuesday. I would have to come back to the city, but I could also ask my wife if she could pay it. She could probably do it sooner than that.
January 28, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. is going to be a review. Have it paid by then. And if it's paid, you don't have to show back up. However, if it's not paid, I need to see you that day.
Ok, señor Gallegos, le han dado un plazo hasta el 28 de enero. Si lo ha pagado antes del 28 de enero, no tiene que presentarse a la corte. Pero si no lo ha pagado antes del 28 de enero, tiene que regresar a la corte para volver a revisar el caso. ¿Entiende?
Entendido.
He understood.
All right, very well. Have a great day, sir.
Ok, eso es todo. Que pase buen día, señor Gallegos.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Muchas, muy amable. Gracias.
Thank you, Your Honor. He said, thank you very much. Very kind.
All right. Okay,
Your
thank you,
Honor, if I'm not needed for another case, am I needed for another case, Your Honor?
It doesn't appear that you are, so I appreciate you. Good to see you.
Thank you. Have a good day and a good weekend.
You as well.
Bye-bye.
Your Honor,
All right.
Mr. Gallegos, first name.
He's on first, 835.
Okay.
First person on 835, Joel, Joel. Who's that on the Moto G Play 7? Gentleman right there with the beard.
Yeah,
What's your name, sir?
Curtis Lovelace.
All right, this is this. All right, Curtis Lovelace. All right, what's the young lady's name with the Moto G Play 2021?
Who?
No, I'm not talking to you, sir. I checked you in. I just checked you in. The
Oh.
young lady with the Moto G Play 2021 right there. You have to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Hello,
Hello, what's your name? Good morning to you.
Wendy Alto.
Wendy. Okay. All right, what are we gonna do with Guma?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Did you say something?
Yeah, no, I just checked you in. You can mute yourself until I call your name.
Okay.
What are we gonna do with Guma? Officer Johnson?
Yes, sir.
What are you gonna do with Guma?
I'm good with impeding traffic, sir. I believe I told him that on the traffic stop.
What about, that's what, you and Goss are on the same page with that?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. You want to talk to your client, Guma, are you there?
Yes, I am.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Sair Salam Guma, case number SP 125-38211. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore. Linda Perkins Moore, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, put your appearance on the record, Officer Johnson.
Yes, good morning. Officer Robert Johnson, badge number 783, Detroit Police Department Traffic Enforcement.
All right, good morning to you. All right, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing on a prohibited left turn. Mr. Guma, that's offer today would be to a blocking traffic, $175 and no points on your driver's license. It's like an expensive parking ticket. You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, that's fine.
All right. All right. For purposes of this, it's a civil infraction. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. With that stipulation, I'm going to find you responsible to the amended count of blocking traffic. And I'm going to fine you $175, Mr. Guma. When can you pay?
I can pay next Friday. Is that good? When I get paid?
I'm going to give you January 28, 2022 as a review. You pay that next Friday, and on January 28th, you don't have to show back up. And I will we'll close it out. All right. But if I don't have that payment, if I don't have that payment, then I'm going to need to see you on January 28th at 8:25 a.m.
No problem. Can I pay at the courthouse?
Pay at the courthouse or any div-dav kiosk in the city of Detroit.
All right. Thank you. I'll pay it at the courthouse. Thank you.
Very well. Have a great day, sir.
You too.
Thanks, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
All right. You as well. Take it easy out there, Officer Johnson.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Gantz, Mr. Lovelace, we're going to wait for.
Your Honor, we can move forward on Mr. Lovelace.
Well, he's got some other officers. Are you ready to move forward on?
No, Your Honor, just the one. So we can wait to.
You better wait till 9:30. Auto, you gotta wait till at least 9:30. So that puts us at
Yes,
Gant.
he got a maid/girlfriend. Cause he said he ain't married. Shit.
Are we ready to work on Corporal Lash matter, Your Honor?
Oh, it's Lovelace, right?
No, Corporal Lash, who's in the courtroom now. He's here.
Oles, no, they haven't showed up yet. Glenda Oles hasn't showed up yet.
Okay.
Good morning, Judge Perkins.
Good morning. Corporal Lash?
Judge, what time, just curious, what time is, I gotta get on patrol. What time is, KPS?
I give them about an hour or so. Why don't you do this? You can either just leave us your number. I think I may have your number. If they show up, I have you checked in. If they show up, then it's, I'll just shoot you a text or something. If not, then.
Okay, sounds,
No, I don't have your number. You want to send it to me in the chat?
yeah, that's fine, I'll do that. Thanks,
All right,
Judge.
Your Honor, I have a Corporal Lash number. I can send it to you.
All right, very well. All right, Corporal Latch, we'll get in touch with you if they show up. Okay,
Yep, sounds good, Judge, thank you.
be safe out there.
You too, sir.
All right. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Ryan Gregory Gantz. Case numbers SP 103-15361. SP 103-5947, counts 1, 2, and 3. Z 8080851. Pending 18-330-375-1, 18-330-375-3, 217-248-79, counts 1, 2, and 3. We'll also call SP 103-1535, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore appeared on behalf of Mr. Gantz, Your Honor. In regard to any matter scheduled today for arraignment on the warrant, we'd ask that all warrants be set aside. He continues his plea of not guilty and waives a formal reading.
Okay. Mr. Gantz, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. So we have this matter that's a more serious matter of the operating while intoxicated. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set aside the defaults on the 2 civil infractions that are, well, I guess all of them are pending. They've already, I'm going to set aside. So you got all of these pending. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to give you an opportunity to two things. I'm going to set you a pretrial date. So that's going to give you an opportunity to either go hire yourself a lawyer or see what you're going to do about this drunk driving case. That's as it stands now, Counselor, the offer is operating while visibly impaired. That's a 4-point offense. That's a 30-day suspension, I believe, and an automatic restricted license, and then and that will do that. What I'll do for your client is I'll allow on these civil infractions, I am going to bring you back to the original cost of the ticket and waive any reinstatement fees. And then on the other, ones that have reinstatement fees, I'm gonna allow your client to pay the reinstatement fees up front, so he can come back in here and get with the driver's license when he comes back in here on that pretrial. Do you have any other cases out in the other jurisdictions, sir?
I don't know. Your
You
Honor.
don't know?
No.
So you don't know if you've been pulled over and got tickets in the other jurisdictions, any other courts, any other cities?
Tell them they be showing you a lot of links because you.
No, I think I got one in Dearborn.
Okay.
Speak to him in a breakout room, what I've discussed, so you can give him understanding on what I'm doing for him, and what he should try and do for himself.
Okay.
Here, that was fucking up.
No, I'm actually trying, I had a loan return, because my bank account closed. And I'm trying to get it paid. I'm gonna know what the balance is and if I should be clear to after I make it. 313-778-584. Zila Williams Law. $8,200. And I should pay them too. Yes, and can I pay over the phone? Is it paid? Okay. All right. Mhm.
Right. All right. Okay. This is at 9:26. Chris, Christopher Freer,
Yes.
did I get the pronunciation right?
Yes, LaFrey.
Lefray? All right,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. All right, you done speaking with him, this Perkins forum?
Yes, I am with Mr. Gantz. He understands. He's ready.
Okay, Mr. Gantz, what I'm gonna do is, you spoke with the lawyer, you got an understanding. I don't know if you're gonna be able to get a driver's license because of that OWI. I don't know, have you ever had a driver's license before?
No, Your Honor.
So I don't know if you're gonna even be eligible right now. You need to get, either a lawyer of your own, or you need to, apply, and see if the court will appoint you a lawyer. You're gonna have to fill out a form for that. But this is how old are you?
I'm 25. I just turned 25 not too long ago.
All right, 25 years old, I mean, your driving records is almost 25 pages long. It doesn't make any sense. It's at least 7 or 8 pages for a person that's 25 years old. It just, it doesn't make any sense at all. But you're here now. I'm gonna give you till March the 15th to sort some of this stuff out. There's some discovery in this file that your lawyer or somebody who's helping you with this case needs to see as far as the drunk driving and the allegations are concerned. So I'm gonna give you until March 15th to figure that out.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, may I go back in the breakout room with him for one moment, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Rejoin that room again. So that, I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna close it out, March 15th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right, you gotta rejoin that room, Mr. Gantz.
Yes.
All right. None of these officers have showed up. Let's start getting rid of these cases. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Wendy Alto, case number SP 11771761. Can you state your name for the record?
Wendy Farrah Alto.
Can you put your appearance on the record? Can you keep your background quiet, Ms. Alto?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Linda Perkins Moore, P36136, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, this is the date and time set for a trial. It's now the trial time. The officer was supposed to appear by 9 o'clock. It's now 9:30. I give him a half-hour grace period. Counsel, you want to make a motion?
Your Honor, at this time, on behalf of the defendant, I will make a motion to dismiss.
All right. Is there an officer T. Barron, advised number 760. Hearing no response is now 9:30. I'm going to dismiss the case, no officer. All right. Ms. Alto,
Yeah.
Thank you.
there's nothing
Yeah.
further. Your case is going to be dismissed.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Have a great day. Have a great day, ma'am.
You
Your
too.
Honor,
Happy
Mr.
New Year.
Mr. Gantz didn't go back into the breakout room.
I didn't get a invite.
Oh, you waiting for the prompt?
That-
Okay.
That more section, sir. Here, let's get Mr. Lovelace out of here quickly too.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Curtis Edward Lovelace. This is case numbers SP 1178649, counts 1, 2, and 3. 1450217111, 16279141. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of Mr. Lovelace, Your Honor.
All right. I will say, Officer Corpick showed up, and he indicated to the city attorney that he has no recollection of this offense. And as it relates to the other matters, we have a motion. Is the date and time set for a trial on the other matter?
I will make a motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
Okay. And today is the date and time set for a trial. I have the trial was supposed to start at 9 o'clock. The parties were supposed to be here. Mr. Lovelace is present. It is now 9:33, with the exception of Corporal Corpick. No other officers have showed. So we're going to dismiss the case. Let me say this. As for dismiss, no officer. It appears that Mr. Lovelace has a lot of default civil infractions, and I'm going to go through them with him for just briefly so he understands what's going on. Okay, so cases that called are going to be dismissed. But the cases that are in default, what I'm going to do for you, sir, is I'm going to get you back to the cost of the original ticket by waiving the fines and costs and reinstatement fees. That way, put you on a road to get a driver's license. What I'm going to do is for the cases that were dismissed, I'm going to waive the warrant fees. You're going to have to pay the reinstatement fees for those cases. I see 1, 2 reinstatement fees. I see another reinstatement fee that's on a closed case. For the ones that are in default, I'm going to waive the reinstatement fee and the late fee for those to get you back to the cost of the original ticket. So if you pay the reinstatement fees, then you should be able to be clearances here. And I need a date on when you're going to pay these civil infractions off. You hear that, Mr. Lovelace? Now you got to unmute yourself, sir.
Yeah, how much is it?
I don't know what it is. She's got to put it in the system, but you got 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't know how much. I mean, because I'm on a fixed income and this COVID, so I'm trying to find out how much so I could give you a great date and make arrangements so I can get my license back and probably make some money. With a driver's license, I probably could make some money.
Well, if you go into the system a little bit later on, then the updated stuff will be in there, and you'll see the ones that I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give you till 2 months, March 15th, to start making payments on this stuff and to start paying this stuff off.
Okay. Could you send me a letter on how much it is? Because I'm not too much familiar with the
You
computers.
gotta go on the system and get it.
How do I get on the system? I don't know. That's what I'm saying. I don't know too much about it. I don't.
Come down to the court. Come down to the courthouse.
Okay then.
All right, I'm gonna waive the late fees and reinstatement fees on the civil infractions. That'll get you back to the cost of the original ticket. Then we put the dismissals in. If there's nothing further, sir, you come on down. I'm gonna put down here March the 15th. I need to have you back March the 15th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay then. I will get him. I will get some letter on that, right? Some paperwork on that, right?
You should get us some paperwork on that review.
All
But
right.
I'll write it down. Don't rely on the mail.
I know I don't, but I just wanted to make sure I could get some paperwork. When is it again? March 15th?
March 15th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m.
8:25?
Yep.
15, 3:15, 20, 20,
It's my son's
8:25. Huh?
That's my son's birthday.
Oh yeah, well, I hope it's a good day for me too then.
All right, I'm gonna put a pay by date on March 15th.
All right. Say pay by it or make arrangements by then?
You gotta make some payments. I'm gonna bring you back in. We're gonna see
Yeah,
where
I
you're
know
at.
I am going, but yeah, that's why I'm asking about arrangements. That's why I said make arrangements.
I would pay those $45 first. And the $25, you got 1, 2. You got 1, 2, 45, that's 93, 135 plus 50. I'd pay that 185 first.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted to know how much it was. Okay.
Well, I pay the 185. If you pay the 185 today, then that'll trigger the Secretary of State to give you clearances down here. And then
Okay,
you'll have
185.
clearances here.
185, right?
Yeah, but then you still got those other dollar amounts, and I can't give you a price on that. I'd say it's gonna be in excess of $600 or so.
$600? I ain't even got that. I'm on a fixed
Well, you
income.
gotta get it.
How I'm gonna get it?
Got a whole lot of stuff dismissed.
Yeah,
It was
but
a
I'm
whole
gonna
lot
get
more
it.
than that, so have a good
I
day,
can't
sir.
get what I can't get. I'm on the Social Security.
Well, it's gonna go back to Warren and all that stuff.
Okay. All right.
All right,
I can
have a
only do
good
what I
day.
can- Yep.
All right. Mr. Gantz, go ahead and, well, let's do Christopher for free.
Yes.
All right. right. There's another person that has neglected his obligations on this. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Christopher Anthony LaFreer. Case numbers SP 3572012, SP 3572011, SX 3684206, counts 1 and 2, SX 3876931, Seventeen 344910, counts 1 and counts 2, and 20454871. Appearance for the record, please.
Linda Perkins Moore appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. In terms of the arraignment on the bench warrant, we'd ask that all warrants be set aside. He continues his plea of not guilty, stands mute, and waives a formal reading.
All right, so he's got a conviction for drunk driving. That was in front of me.
Yes, I was with Judge Johnson, and it was we had it already, and it was operating visually impaired.
That's Judge. Oh, this is Judge Bryant's case. So
That for that, but they sent me to you for the other tickets. I already have. I talked to Ms. Bryant Johnson about the operating while visually impaired.
all right, so
But
I
the
don't
other
have to deal with that. Let's strike that from the record. Let's strike SX 3876932 from the record. And let's strike okay, I guess this one's gonna be for me. All right, so I don't have an offer for him in the file. I can get the city attorney in here to give him an offer.
Okay.
But he too has some old civil infractions that he didn't take care of. I will get him back to the cost of the original ticket on those.
Oh. Let's see.
I'm gonna give him an offer. I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room with Mr. Gantz. You can speak with him briefly, and
Right.
then I'm see if we can get Mr. LaFear offer.
Okay.
Join that breakout room, Mr. Gantz.
Yes.
Oh, so I printed all out, but it didn't go through the.
No, because that, I don't know, it's broken. I'm trying to call you back to see if they can unjam it. I tried to start it back up and see that it helped. calling right now. Oh, it's gonna be something.
It's time for us to be, they said, beginning of the year.
Yeah, it's not working.
There, you can, generate an offer from I'll wait, I'll print out the ROA. No. You can bank for today? Yeah. Did I write off original one? No, it's no offer at all. Then he's already pledged to drunk driving in front of, Brian, that he has, yeah, completed. No, he's on probation for that right now. I don't think I've already said these already. Hopefully they're all right. For sure. Oh, we traffic tickets. I mean, on purpose. Oh, yeah, you can't handle those. No, but you're not talking about those. All right, 'cause that's a big chunk. Yeah, I see you. Basically, I'm dismissed because they got back with the drunk driving, because you already fled on drunk. It's on probation with that right now.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Yeah, I am on probation. These tickets, they were from the past and they wanted me to settle them because they were old. So that's why they set me up with all these court dates. I mean, with this court date. Hold on 1 second.
It says, it's probably already heard. Drunk driving is probably old. I don't know. No, it wasn't old, actually. It was new. And then it says refer those other two cases back to me. So I don't know why.
What other cases?
This, hold on a second, sir.
Okay.
Um, did we call Mr. Christopher LaFear's cases? I believe we did, yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
So what we're gonna do is, he's gonna formulate some kind of offer for him. I recognize you've already pled to the drunk driving. I hope this is a turning point in your life here, sir, so you can start taking care of your business.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, I have problems. I had problems with the traffic, and I wasn't able to get my license because of the tickets, and I just kept going and trying to get it. But my issue was, will I be able to get some type of restricted license or anything if I make the payments that need to be paid? So I can.
Leave out here. I don't know what they're gonna do with that drunk driving.
Well, I did receive a letter through the mail saying that that they suspended it for a month, and then they sent me a letter said that I can drive restricted after December the 7th.
You should be able to do something. I don't know if the city attorney is gonna offer you, but we'll make it see that if you make some payments today, you can get a driver's license.
Oh, that would be awesome. I know growing up and just was getting those tickets, it just seemed like there was so much and I couldn't afford to pay it, and I didn't know what to do at the time. And so then it was like,
when you come to court, you don't just not go to court. You handle your business like
right.
You're doing now.
Definitely.
How old are you?
I'm 31. And to be honest, just with me not having having the license issue, it kind of like interfered with like my job before in the past. So and right now I'm an HR rep for a warehouse, and I just started about a month ago, so I just really want to get this taken care of.
All right. What are you gonna do? Okay, here's the deal, sir. like I said, the offer today for the cases pending, you're gonna be afforded the opportunity to plead to one of the cases, $240 fine, and then dismiss the rest of the cases. You're gonna have, the civil infractions, I'm going to, allow you to, I'm gonna waive the late fee and reinstatement fee on those. And I'm gonna allow you to, pay the original cost of those tickets. I'll give you time to pay. Today, you'll know what you need to pay to get a driver's license, and you can take this deal or you can go to trial. So the deal is to amend the no insurance misdemeanor ticket 17344911 to improper plates. I'll dismiss that ticket upon payment of $240. I'll waive the warrant fee. And what I'm gonna do for you, sir, I'm gonna waive reinstatement fees as well. All right, so you wanna take that deal, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right, sir, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Or you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
yes,
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
yes,
You understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right?
give up the right, what right?
Trial, to the trial. You have a
Yes.
right to a trial. You can take, if you don't want to take this offer, you can go to trial. If you want to take this offer, you're gonna give up that trial right.
No, I want to take the offer.
All right, has anybody offered you anything other than what I stated in the record?
No,
All right, sir, I'm gonna draw your attention back, way back to November the 25th, 2017 at around 3:30 PM in the area of Oakland and Owen, my whole stomping ground. Sir, on that date, did you have, were you operating a 2006 Ford?
yes,
And that day, did you have to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day?
yes,
Did that officer ask you to produce valid insurance for that Ford?
yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I couldn't.
All right, so I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plates. That's a $240 fine. That's no abstraction on your driving record. And that will be dismissed upon payment of the $240. We're gonna get a global date on when you can pay all of this. Let's put you down for March the 15th as well.
Okay,
And
March 5th.
I'm not talking about the drunk driving. That's gonna be between you and Judge Weeks, I believe.
Yes,
March 15th of what we're gonna discuss today. So I'm gonna waive the warrant fee on that. I'm gonna waive the reinstatement fee. And with the stipulation of probable cause, Counselor, I'm gonna dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, yeah.
Okay. All right, that should cover everything. You're gonna get your updated total for what we did today. You're gonna see a $240 fee, and you're gonna see the other fees. You have 3 other fees, and then everything else should be closed out. So you should see 4, well, really 5 fees with that probation, that drunk driving probation. You should see 5 different totals there. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So with my case with Miss Lynn, those fees gonna be added all together?
No, it's not. That's gonna be separate.
Okay, just making sure.
But after the day, you should be able to get clearances here, and you should be able to do something about getting the driver's license.
Awesome.
Now, don't hold me to that. This is just looking at it from this standpoint. I don't know what the Secretary of State's gonna say. But you're gonna have to keep up with this payment. I got you scheduled to come back right on a review. So you're gonna have to save some dollars up. I have to say, come on a review on March the 15th. And we will see where you are as far as what you've done about payments.
Okay.
All right. March 15th, 2022. Go on there a little bit later on today online and you can check the totals. And you can see those numbers should be updated and accurate as it relates to what you owe. So go check that.
Okay.
We'll be back here March 15, 2022 for a review.
Okay. Okay, so I should check with the Secretary of State.
No, you check with the 36th District Court and start making payments. Yeah, so I mean, with this reinstatement, it may automatic. You had a driver's license before, haven't you? Oh, well,
Oh.
you need to go check, you need to go get yourself a secure driver's license. I don't know if they're even gonna give you one with that drunk driving right now. So you might have put yourself in a bigger bind with that, but go check with the Secretary of State, yes, and make these payments.
Okay.
I'll see you back March 15, 2022 at 8:25 a.m.
What time?
8:25.
Okay.
All right, good luck to you, sir. Congratulations on your job.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. That seems like it'll do it.